realizing a dream is to focus not on success, but significance. And then, even the small steps and little victories along your path will take on greater meaning.
And the Indian Idol of the Year goes to Sujoy Krishnan.
Sujay? Sujay? Sujay!
Huh?
Sujay Krishnan, you've again started dozing off in the class.
Sir, I was not sleeping. I was...
Do you want to flunk in physics again this year? Looks like somebody needs to pull you out of your dream world. Do you realize you need to work harder than the other kids just to continue your education? You are getting to study in the most elite school of the city just because your father is a teacher here. The only way you can continue your education is to sit for the scholarship test, which is on the 7th of this month. And that is just 1 week from now.
Look, she's dancing so beautifully.
Yeah, I'm really proud of her. Even in this modern age, she's so traditional.
Yeah!
Okay, everybody, attention, attention! There's an urgent announcement to make. As you all know, we have the song and dance competition coming up after 3 days. The rule is 2 teams should participate from each school. Only Mohit's group has volunteered to participate. I need one more group.
Who will want to perform against Mohit?
Sir, can I suggest you a name? The other team can be led by Sujoy Krishnan.
Well, Sachin, I don't think it's a bad idea. Sujay anyway sings choir at the school assembly. But that's chorus. I guess he can sing.
But sir...
Don't worry, Sujay. It's just a formality so that Mohit can represent the school. We don't expect you to perform. We have Mohit's band.
Tia,
Yeah? Hey, wait.
will you be my queen for this dance?
I'm sorry. Exactly what do you mean?
I mean, my dancing queen. Shh. Tia, if the hottest girl in the school performs with me, it's surely gonna be a hit.
Let me think.
Come on, Tia. I know you can do it. You've been taking salsa lessons from so long. Even your parents would love to see you perform on stage.
Okay, I'll do it.
Thank you, Tia.
Your father will not accept you dancing on the stage. That too on a Western song? No way.
Ah, please, mummy.
Sujoy, aren't you participating in the competition? You sing so well.
Leave it. Nobody's believing that. And people like Mohit do get the best of everything in life.
End of this term, he completes his 10th.
School won't sponsor his studies after 10th.
What about his higher studies?
He should get the scholarship.
And even in this term, he came 6th in class. This way, he cannot achieve his scholarship.
He should stop all his extracurricular activities and work hard for a scholarship.
I don't want you to waste your time in this silly singing.
You can't study any further unless you get the scholarship.
We can't afford to finance for your higher studies.
Come in.
So,
Sujoy, how do you think you'll get the scholarship this year with this kind of performance? Were you again sleeping in the exam? This is too bad. What shall I do with you? How do you think you'll get the scholarship?
You can't study any further unless you get the scholarship.
Sujoy.
how can I sing, Monica? I know I haven't done well in the exams. And my parents are so worried.
You can't change that, can you? Sujoy, you always try to do something which you don't have in you. When your parents see you singing on stage, maybe they will feel very happy that their son is so talented.
Well, yeah, but someone needs to do the choreography for me. And who's gonna dance with me?
Well, maybe I can help
Tia, will you choreograph for me?
if you let me.
I'm trying my level best. Even when I came 6th in the class, they're not happy. All they want me to come is first, and first.
Sujoy?
I'm good at singing, and I know that. But no one believes in me. On top of that, I didn't do well in the scholarship exam.
Sujoy? Forget about everything. Concentrate on your singing. We will win.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Sing and Dance Competition 2009.
What's wrong with him? His dancers didn't come.
Well, that was a sizzling performance. Now, dear friends, give a round of applause and please welcome our next participant, Sujoy Krishnan.
What happened?
Our group didn't turn up.
It's okay, we three can do it.
I don't think I'll be able to give my best.
Come on, Sujoy. Whatever it is, let's try. Come on.
Come.
Da
never knew he can sing so well.
You know, Sujoy's dancers didn't turn up because of your dad.
What? What have you done, Dad?
Don't worry, son. I have taken care of things. This is for your own good. Keep it out of your mind.
The winner is Sujoy.
Yes! Hey Sujoy, well done my boy. By winning this competition, you have kept up the reputation of the school.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Krishnan, there's a good news for your boy. Our school's management has extended his scholarship till he finishes his further studies.
Thank you so much.
All the best. I was so wrong about you. You deserve it.
I knew it.
No one should negotiate their dreams. Dreams must be free to flee and fly high. No government, no legislature has a right to limit your dreams. You should never agree to surrender your dreams. Only then dreams do come true. Dreams do come true. Dreams do come true. Dreams do come true.